Janaza announcement. Provided by Hussain Rashad Janaza Foundation and Education. Brother jumps in to save two drowning sisters, all three lose their lives. Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi rajiun. May Almighty Allah grant them Jannatul Firdaus. A tragic incident has been reported from the Norocholai beach area, where three individuals from the same family including two sisters who went to bathe in the sea and their brother who jumped in to rescue them have unfortunately drowned and lost their lives. The deceased have been identified as 21-year-old Mohammad Ramzan, Fatima Riksana, 17-year-old Mohammad Ramzan, Fatima Sahara, and their 25-year-old brother, Mohammad Usam, all residents of the Tiladia area in Puttalam. Among the deceased, Riksana worked as a madrasa teacher, while Sahara was a student awaiting her ordinary level OL examination results. The deceased brother, Usam, worked in Singapore and had recently returned to the island on vacation. Speaking with profound grief at the Puttalam Base Hospital, the father of the deceased children, 55-year-old Arumugam Ramzan, stated that they had arrived in a lorry after lunch as part of an annual family outing with relatives. He mentioned that before entering the water, they checked its depth, and since it was only at knee level, they permitted the younger children to bathe. However, he wept as he explained that his two daughters suddenly began to drown, and upon hearing their screams, his son immediately jumped in to save them but drowned as well. The father further noted that he too jumped into the water and tried desperately to pull his children out by their hair, but the rough currents dragged them back into the deep water. It is also reported that the young man, Usam, who faced this tragedy, had only 5 days left before returning to his foreign job but had extended his vacation by a few more weeks. Expressing her views on the incident, 33-year-old Siddhi Nasrina, who had arrived from the Balingoda area to participate in the gathering, stated that they had visited this location to bathe for several years prior, but it had never been this deep before. She emphasized that there were no signs or warning boards indicating that the area was dangerous, and if there had been, no one would have entered the water. Commenting on the matter, the Puttalam Municipal Inquirer into Sudden Deaths, Badruddin Mohammad Hisham, pointed out that over the past 15 years, he has conducted inquests into nearly 20 drowning deaths at this specific location. He expressed deep regret that despite this location being an extremely high-risk zone, no authority had installed a warning signboard to inform the public. The post-mortem examinations of the three youth were scheduled to be conducted by the Judicial Medical Officer, JMO, at the Puttalam Base Hospital, and the Norocholai police are conducting further investigations into the incident.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I'm Hussain Rashad Janaza Foundation Executive President and Founder. இந்த மையத்துக்கு செய்து 3 பேர் நோக்கி எல்லாரோட ஒரு மினிமம் இது எழுதிருக்குது. அப்போ நாங்கள் கேம்பில் இருக்கணும். இந்த மையத்துக்காக வேண்டி வாசிங்க இன்ஷால்லா. அவனும் பிள்ளைகளை குளிக்க கொண்டு போகிறது, பிள்ளைகள் போகிறது, இதெல்லாம் நல்ல நடக்காது. இன்ஷால்லா சரி நடக்க வேண்டிய நடந்துருச்சு. அஸ்ஸலாமு அலைக்கும் சொல்லுங்கள். நினச்சிக்கோங்க.